Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Team Performance TV. Got another one of Zach's headaches right here. We got a 2010 BMW 128i. They came from New Jersey. They needed a front bumper and the hood. Yeah, I don't know why I can't think. But then whenever you step on the brake, the front wheel goes about like 2 inches back. So today we are going to be doing control arms. So we got the front and the back control arms for the front wheel, sway bar end links, and maybe the tie rod ends. I don't know yet, but see how that's going. Shouldn't be too bad.
No, shouldn't be too bad.
Now we're gonna reset the car up on the left. Now we're gonna take it out.
They got me in their shenanigans. You still recording?
Oh. I think we should take the wheel off.
What?
Should take the wheel off.
Nah. You could do it all with the wheel on.
We should have braked the wheel lugs first. Start. Alrighty, so we are going to be changing this control arm, this one. This is the tie rod end. This seems to be good. Yeah, it's like brand new. It doesn't have much play. And then the tie rod, the sway bar end links are also good. So it just looks like the control arms are being changed. So same thing on both sides. So it's just the two control arms. Oh yeah, they can do that. So, alrighty. I'm gonna let the shop warm up and then put you on the head mount. So we got Impatient Dimitri here. What size are you using there, pal? That one looks too big.
Well, it's holding.
So what size are you using?
17 and a 19.
It looks like an 18 and a 19.
No. Yeah, it is an 18. You're right.
So you got on the nut side is an 18 and then the bolt side is a 19. I got it, I broke it.
I'm not using this right now.
All right, so yeah, so I'm breaking this 18, pulling the other one, and coming out. I think we could use, where's the electric ratchet? I got my bolt out.
I'm gonna get my bolt out too.
All right.
Eventually.
Where's the nut? Make sure. You shouldn't be able to do this. All right, so this one is spinning as well. I got it out. This is a 21 as well. And what am I hitting the strut? Oh, it comes out. Oh. And she should be out. There we go.
Sir, we don't need
Okay, so Dimitri used his brain today. So the control arms are stamped right, and then this one's left. This one doesn't have a stamp, so he's assuming it's left. You got something to say for yourself?
I mean, if it's a set, and one's right.
Then technically, what if they put the right on the left?
We fucked.
What? Above the? Okay. Oh. I hope it's getting all this on video.
What, the loop?
No, this fucking GoPro. Hope it's getting. Where's my bolt for here?
I put it on the table for you.
Oh. Is it still good?
Yeah. Let's see me.
So, I'm just trying to line up the hole. And Dimitri's kicking tools.